An example of a value that you currently hold that you did not have while a K to 12 student. So I think I'm going to go back to the values auction for this because that actually works for me. My number one was a happy family relationship. And so I think what I value the most right now is family and time with family, more specifically with my parents and my extended family, not necessarily my immediate family, my husband and my kids. That just does tend to have me value that time also. But when I was younger, I remember being dragged to family events and just regular old visits where my mom would visit sisters, and all they would do was just relax and play cards because that's what they did. And I hated it. But now, as I've gotten older, I realize that I am the only one that has built a really good relationship with my much, much older aunts because I was dragged to their houses. And none of my cousins were. My mom had me when she was really old, and so she kind of had to take me with her if she wanted to go and, enjoy her time. And so now looking back, I really, really value that time. And now just going home to visit my mom, I value the time I have with her, with my dad and my family. And even if it's just sitting around talking and laughing about things or watching, home videos or going out to eat, I value that. And I never did when I was younger. I did not. And that's something that's changed along the way. And so even with my family, I think my kids are still pretty young, but I do value those moments where we're just home sitting, relaxing, and doing really nothing, just being around each other. So that's something that's changed since I was younger.